So this is what he's calling the Sardis. There is a little brick on the front here under the covered porch, but you do have vinyl siding. Here's your great room. Supposed to be all the flooring downstairs is going to be LVP. Here's your breakfast area. Kitchen. It is going to have granite countertops in the kitchen. It's a nice sized kitchen. Refrigerator. It is smooth surface ceilings. Of course, sink. That's where your dishwasher would go. Electric stove. I'm assuming I'd have to check. Microwave. You do have a little pantry. Oh, half bath, which has laminate countertops. Toilet. This is your laundry room. Just a standard size. Again, kitchen. Pantry. Does have a little cloak closet here right by the garage. So hot water heater here in the garage. Garage door, I would imagine with the remote. How are you doing?
I'm well, yourself?
Good. You want me to leave this light on?
You cut it off, I'm not ready for it.
That's the garage. Coming back into the kitchen. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Eating area. Great room. See, it has a ceiling fan. And then going upstairs, which will probably have carpet. There'll be carpet in the bedrooms and closets. Bedroom. Closet. It has vinyl flooring in the bathrooms. There's your stairway. So hall, bath. You do have a little linen closet. Countertops are laminate. Tub, shower combination, toilet. Flooring vinyl, he said. Another bedroom. Give you an idea. The size. This is on the front of the house. And closet. Decent sized closet. Alright, back into the hallway upstairs. I guess that's a sample of the carpet. This is a sample of the vinyl going in the bathrooms. Another bedroom. It is still on the front of the house. Closet. Back in the hallway. This must be the master. Tray ceiling, does have a ceiling fan. Good size walk-in closet. Actually, it has two closets. Closet. And then bathroom. Has a garden tub in the bathroom. Shower. Toilet. Two sinks. So master bath. That's your shower. that's your toilet in the corner in your vanities. Again, here's the master bedroom. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. It's not bad. Then coming back out into the hallway.